Hi, my name is Ruben Alves. I am from Robot Ignite Academy, and in today's video we are going to talk more about the Robot Ignite Academy platform itself than about ROS. One of the questions that I normally receive by emails is people asking, hey, what should I learn exactly in order to master a specific subject? For example, users normally ask about how to master navigation, or if I want to work with ROS autonomous vehicles, what should I learn first? Here in Ignite Academy, we have here some courses, and I understand that the way they are presented here, they don't show a clear step of what do I have to learn. For example, we have here manipulation. If you open the course, you will see that we need to master to understand the ROS basics, but we have to open the course to know that. So we have implemented recently. If you come here on the home page, if you check, I have clicked here on the courses button, but if you come here on the home page, we have like the same as if you press here the paths. Here we have now some courses organized by a subject. For example, we have some courses related to ROS navigation. If I want to, you can even see more courses, more paths, learning paths by clicking on the more button. Here we have the, if you wanted to master a specific thing. For example, if you wanted to learn how to master the ROS for self-driving cars, we have here 4 courses. And in these courses, of course, you have the ROS basics, because in order to better understand the autonomous vehicles, you have to understand the basics. Also the navigation, and it's good also to have an idea of the local planet, this tab. And yes, if you go to the learning path, you can also learn about machine learning. What do I have to learn? Again, the ROS basics, and more about deep learning, and using OpenAI with ROS. So this is new feature of Robot Ignite Academy, and yeah, I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to our channel for a new video every single day. And if you have any suggestion about how we can improve our platform to make you learning ROS even faster, we are open to suggestions. Thanks for watching.